Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 LTSC 2025 in Virtualbox. Basically, you'll want to go over here to virtualbox.org and you'll want to download the Virtualbox version for your operating system. So most people probably is going to be Windows, but for me it's for Linux distributions. I already have it installed, so I am just going to open it up. But before you can do that, you do need to go over to the Microsoft website, download Windows 11 IoT Enterprise LTSC, and keep in mind that these will only be a 90-day evaluation. Make sure you register with Microsoft account first, and you should just be able to download it, and it will only be active for 90 days. But this is fine for my use case. So I just want to open up Virtualbox. So I have it right here, Virtualbox. And you also want to create a new virtual machine. Name it whatever you want. So that's what I'm going to name it. Believe I have enough local storage for this. I have 122 gigs available, so that should be fine. And you want to select your ISO. So that you just downloaded, so it's right there. So you can see, it's going to put this in here. It's going to do unattended installation. And then you go under here to unattended install. Pick a username, pick a password, pick a product key, pick a host name, and you pick a domain name. I'm just going to leave this. It should just let me, or you need to set a password. I'm just going to set a simple password. And you can give it 4 gigs of RAM and it'll run just fine. I'm going to give it 2 cores of CPU. Actually, I lied. I'm going to give it 4. And I'm going to give it 8 gigs of RAM just because I have a bunch of RAM. And for hard disk space, 80 gigs is enough for LTSC. So that is what I'm going to do. What are you complaining about? Oh, you got to pick a host name. See if, yeah, okay. Just got to pick a host name. And finish. For every reason, this is not wanting to boot. There. And just like that, it'll start installing the Windows 11 LTSC 2025 build. And as you can see, it will restart. And just like that, you can see the login. And just like that, you now have Windows 11 2025 Enterprise LTSC. As you can see, that is what is reporting in the bottom corner. And you can see everything is here. There's not a thing that is missed. Unit system. And you can see that it's Windows 11. and that is the Windows 11 IoT Enterprise LTSC evaluation. So that wraps up this video, and if you saw what you liked, please give it a thumbs up, and have a good one.